Good evening, gentlemen. Ooh, that was nice. Right. Let's go over today's trades. Alright. Got my headphones on so you know. Serious now. Right. Let's go over, okay? So, this was Friday. That's what I took the trade off. Expecting 1, 2, and 3. Take profits to be hit, but I've already made a video on that. That was the previous video, which I'm just about to start editing after this one. Pretty simple fucking trade. But anyway, going into today, because on the Tuesday we just fucking ripped and we took out all this buy side liquidity. All three of me higher time frame take profits. Long term it's this high up here, but you know, whatever, right? Current market situation, mate. Tuesday didn't take a trade. Monday didn't take a trade. Monday's price action was absolute dog shit all day, so I didn't take anything. Slow Monday. Tuesday did not take anything. Nothing was offered in the there was actually news out on Tuesday, which I just decided fuck it, leave it, right? But anyway, okay, let's go into today. So today, after these highs have been taken, price is obviously going to rebalance. Right, we had a 4-hour fair value gap, which I've labelled here. Yeah, this one. 4-hour fair value gap, right? And then I got the Tuesday range marked out with equilibrium from the low to the high. And we had news coming out at 7 o'clock. And at 7 o'clock, we dumped. So we had a massive sell off into this imbalance, into equilibrium. So, okay, perfect. High time frame, bias, longs. Perfect, we're looking for longs, right? This was the news candle, 7, equilibrium. Okay, we know that. Right, we took out this low. Then we had a market structure shift on the 15-minute time frame, which also left behind a 15-minute imbalance. So, okay, cool, perfect, mate. Yeah, that's good. Good news. So I labelled the fair value gap, placed my buy limit order. I'm also eyeing up this trade, to be fair, because I still think it has the potential to go higher and higher. But regardless, let's stick to the moment. 15-minute market structure shift, imbalance, and we got completely just disrespected. Straight away, she came down, hit our stop loss. You know, it happens. Shit happens, mate. Shit happens. So that's that. Done. Dusted. And then, again, we had news, 1:30. We created this high, which did not sweep the first take profit of the previous trade. So I'm like, okay. You know, we got a nice little draw on liquidity. 2 news high candles. That's good. Come on down, sweep this low. And then what I was waiting for, was this 5-minute fair value gap to get disrespected. And as you see, got disrespected. I would have entered on this candle, tapped on in, and then just disrespected me. 10 minutes, bang, done. So that's that one done. Same premise, but instead of a market structure shift, we had an inverse fair value gap. So that's that one done. Currently, what I'm waiting for is for a 5-minute closure above this high. So we got a market structure shift because we made a lower low, and then we're going to close above here, make a higher high. Now that's a market structure shift. And then on the way, we've got this little fair value gap. So what I'm going to do is, going to wait, see if we close above. Come on down into this fair value gap. And we're going to take this bitch. Because it is currently 10 to... Yes, I believe the macro has just opened. I don't really trade the macro, but I heard the macro was open, right? So if we get if we make 5 minutes, get a closure above here. If we come on up here before I'm in, then I'm just gonna set the trade off. That's first take profit. That's that done. But I'm not going to take the trade since we have already taken 2. If this was to decide to come down into this gap and then react off of it, I'm not going to hop in because I've already taken a trade. I want to see 100% confirmation, which will be market structure shift after this liquidity sweep. I still believe this is a liquidity sweep, and we're also just filling out this 4-hour fair value gap a lot more. We got liquidity resting below here, but already got this 15-minute lows taken out. All right, so as long as we get a market structure shift, and then come on down, and then come on up. You know, it's only a 2.63 risk to reward. That's better than nothing, yeah. Yeah. When it comes to this account, it's currently sitting on. You know, let me get it up. 2 seconds. We're currently sitting on 186770. Not good. So this was the Friday's trade. End up getting 2%, risking 1. Pretty decent fucking trade. It's a nice trade. But yeah, today I'm risking 0.5%, down 1% for the day. Got one more trade left in the locker. Might not even play out. We'll see. But that's pretty much it. The I'm not upset about the trades I took today. The confluences was there, you know. High time frame bullish, 4-hour fair value gap getting respected as bullish confirmation on a higher time frame. The only thing is the high time frame liquidity sweep, which could not go in our favor. So, which is why I'm waiting for this market structure shift just to be sure, you know. But we've got 2 minutes left of this 5-minute candle, so we'll see how it closes, and then we'll go from there, eh? Right on, boys. Just got tapped into, but there was no market structure shift, so I am not entering this. We've just tapped it to the tick. Oh, never mind. This is where we would have entered off of if there was a candle closure above the fucking Jesus Christ. If there was a market structure shift, would have entered right now, but nah. That's that trade idea out the window. And if you're wondering how to take the trade on the desktop version, just figured that out. I didn't know myself. So obviously down here you can add whatever you want, but the main ones I trade GBP USD, Euro USD, so you can just add and then say USD gold, you just add that like that. To get rid of it, I'm not too sure. Can I just click on it and press delete? It's pretty simple. Anyway, if you want to take a trade, there you go. Here's your market execution. So add whatever you want. Lots. Fucking 10 lots. Put your stop loss in, you take profit. And then either sell or buy, whatever you're doing. If you want to buy a limit order, pending order, I would have put a buy limit because I want to go long. Yeah. So I would put buy limit. The lots that I've calculated, so I've got a 10 pip stop loss. You see at the bottom here, 10 pip stop loss. So if I wanted to risk 1,000, then it's 10 lots. And then put the price of where you wanted to enter the trade. So for me, it would be 1.28468. Yeah. And then put my stop loss and take profit. And then place. Then you'd wait for it to come on down. Don't know if you get a sound effect or what, because I haven't actually placed a trade off this, but that is one hell of a reaction. There was no market structure shift, but that's a nice reaction. Nah. No. No. That's where I would have entered the trade then. I am not taking this just because there was no market structure shift. I mean, if it comes to it, where we get a market structure shift off this with a fair value gap behind it, could maybe enter off of that. These stops at these lows, but I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. I have to wait and see. So I wouldn't really take a trade if it was like a 1-to-1 risk to reward, you know. I mean, you can do it, it's perfectly fine, but no, I tend to aim for at least 2, you know, 2.5, 3, any higher, fucking brilliant, but you know, 2 or 3, that's a good trade to take, you know. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm not in this. Took 2, half. I've lost 1% today. It's a Wednesday, you know. Beginning of the week usually is a pretty rough for me. Didn't trade Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday saw the opportunity, took it. Just didn't seem to work out in our favour. That's fine. You know, it happens. But if we get a market structure shift, you better believe, mate, I'm entering this bitch, especially off of this reaction too. So, you know, I'm gonna get rid of this. Holy shit. Holy shit. We've got a minute left. Right. Lock in a minute, boys. Right. Well, that reaction was still fucking going. Brilliant. I want to see this next minute candle. Yeah, come on down. Retrace a little bit. And close above, creating a market structure shift. Right, that's what I want, okay? Is it what I'm gonna get? I don't know. See, I don't know. There's no sort of inverted gaps or whatever, so we're gonna have to. Oh, here we go. Okay, this might be the fair value gap. So if this closes above within 30 seconds, bang. That's where the stop loss would be at break even, so I'm not asked about that. That's full take profit. What is it? A 2. Bang on fucking 2. Could put the stops at this low here, but no. No. So we didn't. We're not. We haven't closed above. Anyway. So if this candle just decides to, like, you know, come on up, create the market structure shift, that would be pretty lovely, pretty nice actually. And then you can have, I suppose you could have your stop loss here, but it's a bit risky just in case it wants to come on down, tap in into this fair value gap again. But it does mean the risk reward is 4. So you're kind of dealing with the devil here, mate. You're having a little tango with the devil. You haven't got anything to support your take profit apart from this fucking fair value gap. It's a big old fair value gap too. We'll see. So this 5-minute closes, and if it hasn't come up here, then I'll set me a pending order here. I'll set me stop down here. No, let's not get too greedy, you know. Right then, boys. Just got an all market structure shift. I'm gonna place the order. There we go. See stop loss, take profit, where the price is at now. Now we just gotta wait, see if we get tapped in. If we don't, and it comes on up to the stop loss at break even, then that was nice. That's fine, you know. I'll just cancel the trade and we'll go again tomorrow. That's fine with me. It's okay with me. It means I got the draw on liquidity right, but the timing was incorrect for today, so I need to, well, wait for more confirmation, obviously. Let's see. See what this 5 minute does. See if it comes on down, taps us in or what. I'll let you know once we get filled in. If we get filled in, or if I cancel it, I'll just let you know. Obviously, you know you're watching this right now, but you know, whatever. We'll cut to it, eh? Right then, boys. Looks like we are escaping the entry, and we're most likely going to come up here to the first take profits. But you know, we'll see how the trader plans out. But we've just created a new 5 minute fair value gap. So I think now price is gonna want to fucking come on down, tap on into here. Yeah, I don't see it coming on lower, because then it might might disrespect this fair value gap, and then that's not bullish confirmation at all. But then I'll be a bit more hesitant to hold the trade. But you know, if we somehow come on down into here, close within here, come on down, then still close within here, it's a valid trade. But then, like, how likely is that? Come on now. Right then, fellas. Alrighty then. Came into this fair value gap. We had a hell of a fucking reaction off of it. Free up space. Fuck off. And holy shit. We're coming on down again for some reason. Damn. What a 5 minute candle. There's all sorts of weird, but there's no news. All the news has come out prior, you know. So we did what I said. Close within the 5 minute gap. But we didn't do what I said secondly, which was come on, tap me down, and then fucking tap me in, and then explode on up. We just exploded on up from this fair value gap, which is what I said would fucking happen. But then, you know, where would I put my stop loss? Could move it up. Could have entered off of the 5 minute fair value gap, but nah. That's my entry. You know, be changing entry. Yeah, I think this trade's pretty sure this trade's fucking a wrap at this point. That's that trade. Bosh. That's that trade fucked off. Yeah, you know, not bad. Good. You know, we predicted the market, you know, right at the end. But yeah. Bit of a rough one today. We'll see what tomorrow... Actually, no, we won't see what tomorrow brings, because I'm not trading, because it's a Euro bank holiday. And there's news coming out, I believe. The fuck? There's news coming out tomorrow. So we got GDP. We got bank holidays all day. We got unemployment claims, you know, retail sales, they fuck up the market. So if I was to enter a trade, it'd be on GBP USD, usual, at 8 AM. And I'll close it all come half one if it hasn't hit take profit. But it's just most likely going to be choppy anyway. Before news. So we'll have to wait and see. Well, I'll have to wait and see. But yeah, today, all right shit. But I'm gonna call it bad shit. But it's been all right. You know, I don't mind taking the losses, but a loss is still a loss. You know, on another day might have got filled in or what. You don't know. We don't know. So yeah, gonna there's a huge sell off from that. That shit is crazy. But yeah, no, I won't enter a trade. Take profit one's just been hit, so call it that. Bad shit in a bit.